My name is Bill Hassa.
I'm Corey Moore.
My name's Barry Frayne.
Hi, my name is Sandra Caldwell.
I've been at East Penn for about 26 years.
I've been with East Penn for 15 years.
I've been with East Penn for 32 years.
What do you think is so cool about manufacturing?
Is that at the end of the day, or even every hour, I can see exactly what's being made.
Started in 1946 by Delight and his father. They started in a very small building up the road in Bowers, and they have maintained and they built a culture that is still maintained today.
Here at East Penn, we're very proud of taking care of the environment and recycling as much of our materials as we can.
We process about 2,000 tons of lead a day and recycle about 18,000 automotive batteries a day.
Here in the injection molding 2 building, we're taking polypropylene pellets. We're melting those pellets using a plastic injection molding machine, showing the latest automation to help us and blend people and technology.
We start with a chunk of lead, we melt it down, we make grids out of it, we paste the grids. From there, the grids get picked up by a robot and they get put on a pallet. They get cured, and then from there they go over to COS. From there it's going to tie all the negative plates together, all the positive plates together, and then they're going to put the group into a battery. From there we're going to take it over to assembly. And assembly, we're going to put the cover on, we're going to melt everything together and make it completely connected. And then we're going to go over to do raw fill. We're going to fill the battery with acid. After acid, we're going to charge the battery, and then we're going to take the battery over to finishing. Once it goes through finishing, our battery's ready to go out the door and to all our customers.
What's so cool about manufacturing here at East Penn is the community impact and definitely giving back.
What's so cool about it? I mean, to start with a chunk of lead and a lead block to a battery. How awesome is that?
One of the greatest things is I get to work closely with the robotics department. We try to implement them in all the machines, and just working closely with them enough, it's really cool.
Delight used to say that the day that you want the money more than buying a new piece of equipment is the day that you should sell the business.
It's when you love what you're doing, it's not work at all.